I'm back with not just one, not just two, but I got 3 of the brand new FMS Toyota Tacoma. These things right here, 1/24 scale, they're definitely iconic. They are officially licensed. And FMS has been making some amazing RC cars. As you guys know, I have a lot of the 1/10 scales, one of which I still need to make a long form review about. Now, before I get into the review, you guys are probably like, Jay, you definitely do not need 3 of the same RC crawlers. And you would be right. I am gonna give away 2 of these to you guys. Now, I will tell you later on in the video how to get in. We're gonna kind of do it a little sneaky. That way, those people that don't actually watch the whole video aren't gonna know what you guys did to get in. And yes, it's gonna be something as simple as commenting maybe on this video, maybe on a random one that I send you guys to. Only rule, you do have to be in the United States because I'm paying out of my own pocket to ship this, and they come ready to run with everything you need, even the battery. Big plus there. Now, what makes these things so cool? 1, I said it already, officially licensed. 2, 3 color options. So with that being said, let's get these things out of the box and see what they look like. And we got all 3 colors, guys, blue, red, and gray. Now, before I even dig into the video and go over these things, I do want to show you how they come. So let's circle back and let me actually unbox one for you. So as you see here, the first thing that's going to come out is going to be your transmitter. So before I even take the truck out of the box, let's go over this transmitter right here. Inside, it's a basic transmitter, nothing too crazy, but it does have a bunch of modes, which I'm going to go into. Feels good while you're holding it. All in all, man, I do like these little things, especially because when you're filming like I am one-handed, it's extremely easy to use. So big plus. And then inside the little bag, we're going to have our toolkit. You know, just a little wheel hex driver, a screwdriver, as well as a USB charger for the 2S battery. And let's get the truck out. So this is how the truck's gonna come. It's packaged pretty nicely. If you guys are winning one of those 2 that I'm giving away, it's not gonna come this nice. I'm throwing it back in the box, guys. Now let's crack this thing open. See here, I'm reaching in. I'm gonna cut the zip tie. All right, there is our truck. Now that we're unboxed, let me kind of just go over what makes these small things so iconic. First and foremost, you guys already seen, I said it twice, it is officially licensed. Now the body, it's definitely beautiful, man. We have a little interior. It's not that scale, obviously. It's very small, kind of just looks like a 3D printed piece of plastic. But the body is beautiful, has a nice shine, even has those fender flares, and this little rack in the back comes pre-installed. The mirrors are also actually, you know, reflective, which is a nice touch. Now, before I even take the body off, let's go over kind of what's underneath. The first thing you're gonna notice, it has a rear straight axle, just like the real one. You know, sometimes on these smaller crawlers, they're gonna put on porta axles, so they didn't do that on this. If you guys are like, Jay, since when do you know about RC cars? Guys, I have been playing with RC cars way before I ever touched an RC airplane, and I'm actually good with these things. So if you guys like the RC truck and car reviews, definitely hit the like button, subscribe, because I have a lot of stuff coming. Maybe even some Primal RC. I might have already bought them and just haven't showed you guys yet. So definitely stay tuned. But today we're going small and mighty. These things are pretty sweet, man. Now, to get the body off, from what I understand, little piece of Velcro in the front, and it opens up, and you see our wiring for the lights are all there already pre-installed. You don't have to do anything. 2-in-1 receiver ESC with a little battery, 2S 380 milliamp, which is weird because there's a little foam block here, and you could probably take that out and put an even bigger battery for some better run times, but I'm sure this is fine. You know, it's not gonna be putting out a lot of power. The motor is pushed kind of far forward, which is gonna make it for a better crawl, which we're gonna test out that crawling very soon. And all in all, it looks nice, man. 2-speed transmission, I see it already. I don't know if that's metal or plastic gears in there. On the front, we have a servo saver. That's pretty funny because this is a small car. I don't see us really needing a servo saver, but hey, anything to protect this thing a little better, you know, is a big plus in my book. The tires feel soft. I'm liking the compound of them. They're pretty squishy. They feel very sticky, so I mean, we're gonna have no problem crawling. I do wanna see what kind of an angle we can get these things on. Now, I'm not actually gonna start these 2 up. They will be in the entire video, but I'm just gonna test this one right here because, you know, let me leave the 2 that I'm gonna give away nicey nice. That way you guys, you know, get something in decent shape, because you know, once I touch it, it usually gets a little bit messed up. But with all that being said, man, let me charge this thing up with that little USB charger it comes with, slap some AAA batteries in that remote, And let's kind of beat this thing up around the house and see what it could do. All right, guys, we are charged up. Now on the bottom of the model, right here, there is a little on-off switch. You hit it once, you see the lights just flickered. She's on. I'll tell you what, that's pretty good for steering, man. Now, this is low gear, just like the other ones. Pretty slow. If you guys are wondering about these ramps, these are the new ramps from Proline. They are top tier. This is the smaller of the three. Kind of perfect for just crawling around. Middle on the remote is neutral, and then high gear. Let's put it this way so I don't mess nothing up. I mean, that's pretty good. We're gonna really test that out, how fast it is on the floor, but I mean, it seems pretty good. Now let's go back into low gear for a second and try out the suspension. Now it is bottoming out right there. So you don't have the craziest ground clearance. I guess that's because of the lack of Porta axles, but it is a lot more scale with these axles. So it's definitely cool. Hope the camera's catching that suspension. I'm gonna show you guys different angles of this thing in a second. Anyway, now the only thing left to do is figure out how to turn these lights on. So let me look at this remote real quick. On other models, there was just a little button right here. Do I have to refer to the manual? Guys, I think I gotta read the manual. I hate reading manuals. Let's see what we got. So yeah, it's the bind button, turns the lights on. So what, I just push it once? Oh, there we go. That's cool. Those actually look great. Does this not have taillights? Nah, that's a bummer. I think they should have added taillights. Push it again, shuts off. Push it, takes a second. Ah, that's pretty cool though. They do look good. Now guys, we gotta test this thing out. So enough is sitting at this table. Let's see what it can do. See channel 3, that's the gear. So all the way to the left, that's low gear. And low gear, man, this thing is definitely super slow. It looks so good though. Now let's switch over. We're gonna go high gear. I mean, it's definitely faster. To me, it's more of like a walking pace. The turning radius on this thing is pretty phenomenal. And here's my famous one-hand driving. Now it is a crawler, so that means we gotta crawl, man. Let's try this thing out. Now we're gonna call this the gym bench test. We're gonna start out at a not so crazy pitch. And yeah, dude, flawless. I mean, and then when you let go, you see how it stops itself? I mean, that just helps it crawl so much better. Like if you guys are gonna be outside in some crazy terrain, which I am gonna bring this outside in a second. So I will show you guys that. But I do wanna see kind of how crazy we could get with this. So I'm gonna skip. We're gonna go, maybe we won't skip. Let's go here. Let's see how she does. Now guys, I'm half throttle. Nice clean power all the way up. Now we're getting crazy. We need a little bit of clearance here. Come on. All right. I mean, that's kind of crazy. I don't even know if you guys can really get a feel for how crazy that pitch is right there. But I mean, that is like, that's pretty wild. Dude, that's like, I don't have a thing to tell me what angle that is, but that's impressive. Do we even attempt one more? I don't think it's gonna work. I think one more is almost vertical. Tell you what, if we had weight in the front, let's see if it could go this way. Nah. If we had some weight in the front of this thing, it definitely has the torque. And that's why I'm keeping that one and giving the other two away. Let's see what else this thing could do. Can you scare your dogs? Ah, he's got 3 legs, guys. Be nice to him. Scare the golden retriever. She has 4 legs. Where you going? You know what's crazy? She doesn't mind RC airplanes, but she hates these things. It's kind of crazy. Let's try this thing outside. Let's see what we got. Then after outside, we're gonna try crawling over some. And it's raining. Little powerhouse. I'm in high gear too. Oh. Guys, this thing looks so good. Switch it to low gear. Before this rain starts killing me, I'm gonna melt. I'm a witch. Look at the suspension flex. Let's see if we can climb this lip over here. Need a little more clearance. Hey, come on. Come on. Ah. Back into low gear. Backwards, maybe? No shot. No shot. Guys, I'm getting out of the rain, but let's go try this thing. Actually, you know what? Pile of leaves here. I haven't had my cleanup yet. I'm in low gear. Can it muscle through? Can it muscle through? It's going. It's going. Let's go high gear. Full speed. Oh, we made it out. This thing is fun. Dude, I can't wait to try this thing on the beach. Here's what I want to do though. I want to go mess around and make some plane people freak out by crawling over some planes. And then, yeah, man, I'm going to tell you guys how you could win this. Well, not this. I'm going to give you the blue and the gray one. Sorry, guys. I have to durability test this thing. Oh, come on, dude. She's good. She's good. What should we run over? A C-17? No, it's high wing. I need a low wing plane. Habu. We're going horizon. I got to do a horizon plane. All right, let's crawl. Let's see how this bad boy does. Hey, we got it. Now, guys, if you want to win either one of these, here's what you're going to do, right? You're going to go into the comments and you're going to comment. We're going to switch it up because some people that heard the beginning but didn't make it this far, what they're going to do is they're going to see what you guys are doing in the comments and try to mimic it. So here's what I want you to do. Leave a random comment. I don't even care what it is. Hey, like the truck. Hey, like your content. Hey, hate your content. I really don't care. Just write something. It doesn't matter what you write. It could be so random. Just make me laugh. After the third word, add 3 periods. So I like this, ... Very cool. I know that you watched the video. You're in the giveaway if you're in the United States. And if you're still watching, guys, hit the like button too. Do me a favor. Just hit that like. You guys always watch but don't like. So do that. But yeah, man, that's all you got to do. You can win one of these 2 if you're in the US. I'm going to ship it. I'll pick a random comment using a random comment picker. And maybe we'll start doing that. I'll tell FMS, hey, send me a few. I'll do one of them and then I'll give a couple away. I think that'll be a fun thing to do. So definitely do that. Third word, 3 dots, you know. RC cars are ... dumb. Like, it really doesn't matter to me what you guys are doing. Just, that's how we're going to do it. So, anyway, yeah, let's get back to ruining this Horizon hobby plane. Not bad. Now, if you're like, dude, why are you doing that? I mean, this car's so light, I really don't think it's going to do too much damage anyway. And this is one of the planes that's probably going to be getting passed to somebody soon. I know you probably don't think I fly this much. I actually fly this pretty often. It's just like after I do the review, like I know I need to start doing follow-up reviews, but I just don't, you know, videotape that much anymore. I do like flying without filming, guys. You know, flying is always going to be an important part of the hobby for me. And even more so, I use these cars more than airplanes, believe it or not. It's just easier, you know, if I'm outside, you know, having a beer with my dad or something like that. It's fun throwing a battery in something and just messing around. So I use these things way more than you think. It's the RC hobby is definitely a big part of my life, man. I enjoy it. You know, that's what it is. A super cool, super budget friendly little scale crawler that is officially licensed. I'm sure there's topics of this thing that I didn't touch on, but hey, As new as I am, or rather how not new I am to playing with RC trucks, I am fairly new in the review process. So if there's something that you would like me to see, topics you want me to touch on, definitely comment down below what that is. The only thing that I do want to try real quick while the cameras are still rolling is I found this battery upstairs. Not sure what it's to. It's a 900 milliamp 2S. So instead of the smaller 380 milliamp, I just want to see if we remove this block, if this thing would actually fit. And the answer to that is no, it won't fit. The reason is the suspension blocks that the suspension clings onto is actually in the way. So that's a bummer. So I guess, you know, you are gonna have to use that little 300 milliamp pack. Not a huge deal. It just would have been cool if I could have put this in for some better run times, but not saying you're not gonna get good run times with this thing. Good on FMS. I think it's a great little truck. I'm excited for one of you guys to, you know, win one. Let's touch on real quick, them raising the price. How do I feel about that? I'm not sure why they did that. 99 bucks. I thought when I initially seen it, it was a little bit too cheap. Kind of sounds crazy as like a consumer of RC products. It's just like when you have a little scale model that drives good, 2-speed transmission, lights, licensed, I'm like, because even when you license, like they have to pay Toyota a fee to use that license. So it was interesting for me to see that. So I didn't talk to them. I don't know if it was a promotional they initially did that they had to stop doing. But anyway, now it's 129 bucks. I still think it's a good price. I'm not sure if my discount code is going to work on these. I haven't talked to FMS in a little while, but I will leave the discount down below. You guys can try that. It might save you an extra 10%. But, you know, that's that. So if you guys are interested, the link is down below. Let me know what else you guys want to see. And as always, I really appreciate you guys watching. Until next time.